Official ways to make money online and where you can start an online business today. This is actually part 2 of 7, and I really want to speak to you about mindset. This is a big area and a lot of entrepreneurs don't realise at the beginning you need to get your mindset correct first. So more to come after this. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. In the UK, guess how many adults do not use the internet? Okay, now that's a really fun question to ask because even I was surprised. Ready? So we're talking millions, so how many would you say in the UK? Right, ready? You got your answer? Put it in the comments box there. Okay. 9 million adults still do not use the internet in the UK. Obviously that is going to change as the years go on, but you know, there are still some people who do not know how to use the internet. I would probably guess, because this stats didn't give like an actual age range, but I'll guess they're probably more of the older generation. So like you guys out there, I'm 36, so the internet really first came about when I was at college, and we were using it quite a fair bit at university, but we weren't really relying on the internet. So I'm sure these people here in the 9 million stat are probably those who have never been brought up with internet. So just thought I'd share that with you. If you're new to my channel, then hit like, subscribe, and if you want to receive daily videos, hit that notification button, that little bell notification, as I will be sending you daily videos to help you build your first online business and help get your life back for the freedom and flexibility. So this video today is going to be about the mindset. Now there's a bit of a 3-part process I find when it comes to any business venture. So obviously I'm now helping you guys build your first online business, but in my journey to date I've actually built and set up and managed 4 offline businesses as well, 4 indoor cycling studios. So I've had 2 in Shanghai, China, and also 2 in Leeds here in the UK, and I've had some amazing times, some great experiences, many highs, many lows when it comes to doing business, whether it's offline or online. But the way I see it, I'm going to draw a bit of a triangle here, is the triangle. So this is where I feel you need to get your head around, because mindset here is really important, and it's all about building you up, because there are going to be many highs as mentioned and many lows, and you need to be confident and resilient and prepared basically to go through those challenging times, to fear forward essentially. So mindset is really important, and once you get the mindset around sorted, it then goes into the mechanics. So this is when you actually learn how to build an online business, the nuts and the bolts, all the systems that you would use, how to get your clients, what marketing strategies you need to put in place, and the selling side as well. And the third one here would be the mastery. But you can only have mastery over the systems and get good at your online business once you get the mindset down. So there's actually 3 points that I feel you need in order to make money online. You have to be resilient, you have to be confident, and you have to expect those challenging times. And without those key ingredients, we need to be working on our mindset on a daily basis. It will then get you to handle the mechanics of running the business, and also once you get a good handle of the mechanics, that's when you become a master of your online business. And you don't have to stop at just one online business, because once you get the flow of this triangle, the mindset, the mechanics and the mastery, you can then transfer to the online business number 2, to online business number 3, and then off you go. And that is your way of making a really good income, passive income online. And they say the average millionaire has 7 streams of passive income. So obviously you do the math. If you have offline businesses already and you want to migrate to online, then you can obviously include your offline business or businesses and then add on your online business, and that might be like, you know, your online business might be business number 3 for you or number 4, wherever you are in your business journey. But this is basically the nuts and bolts. You can apply this to any business, whether it's offline or online. Or if you're just moving from a career into the online world, this is really what you need to get your head around. It's the big thing really here is mindset. Because once you have everything in place in order to get through the challenging times, the mechanics of setting up a business is actually easy, because you can actually learn how to build a business online from anywhere on the internet. But you've got to ask yourself, why do most people not succeed at an online business or any other business really? Why is there such a high failure rate? It's because the mindset wasn't correct in the first place. They didn't quite get through the challenging times. They actually really stumbled across the fear factor, and it crippled them, and they didn't carry on. They went off the path. So that's the video for today. If you've got any other questions, then just let me know, and here's the next video. See ya! Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.